back. The second annual Patchogue Plunge happening today at the Sandspit Marina. Last year's event was canceled due to the pandemic. This year, the organizers, Patchogue Young Professionals, are hoping to bring out the brave Long Islanders looking to take that polar plunge. Participants can check in starting at 9:30 this morning. The event kicks off at 10. You've got to be there a little early. And all proceeds will go to the Gabby Petito Foundation.